This is the Clayton Mark CRK1 minor repair kit. So this kit is mostly used when just that plunger assembly is leaking. So go ahead and get everything out here. The package will come with this sheet here. I'll go ahead and open it up. So you have the installation and operation here. And then on the back of the sheet, you'll have that little picture breakdown, as well as the repair instructions and a list of parts there. A couple things to notice about this kit. This plunger assembly can only be replaced with this kind. So there's two different kinds of plungers. There's almost like the bullet shaped plunger, and then there's this one that has those flat sides, and then that brass rod there. And those plungers are not interchangeable. Okay, and then it'll also come with the key, that white plastic packing or seal, and then the rubber O-ring as well. We'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of each piece here, starting with the plunger. And that plunger will measure just shy of 2 inches. And then we'll also get an outer diameter here at that brass portion where it connects. And just that brass piece, you can see it measures right at about 1/4 of an inch. And that plastic seal, it's got an outer diameter of about 1.25 inches, a height of about 1/4 of an inch, and we can do an inner diameter as well, and that's right about 1/2 inch. Then we can also get an outer diameter of that rubber O-ring, and that'll measure just shy of 1 inch as well. And then just get a total length of the key. And we'll measure right at 1.5 inches. Yes, once again, this is the Clayton Mark CRK1 minor repair kit.